Hello everyone, so here you boy Satya Mehra and here we are with our second episode of Bachpan Ki Duniya. Hope you all are doing good and safe out there in your houses and taking all kind of precautions. So personally, I am very excited for today's interview because the guest is really good friend of mine. He's really very talented. He's having qualities like he's a very good actor, director, filmmaker, and a very great dancer. So I would like to know more about him. So let's join him in.
Hello.
Hi, what's up?
Arey, all good, bro. What's been up with you?
Great, great. I'm well. So how's lockdown going?
Arey, yaar, पूछ मत. It's sometimes it's really boring, but the good thing is you find time, for doing stuff for you. तो सबसे अच्छी बात वो है कि तुम्हें मौका मिल जाता है तुम अपने लिए कुछ कर लो.
That's great. So are you excited?
Dude, honestly, I told you prior also, I'm really nervous. भाई, cause it's coming from you. सत्यम, तू question पूछने वाला है, so I'm pretty sure I the bouncers and throw them out of the park.
No, the questions will be general. It's obviously a pandemic situation. I would ask that only. So how you are feeling right now in this pandemic situation?
Obviously, यार, in such kind of situation, you feel bad. बुरा लगता है, obviously, थोड़ा सा, when you see all these things happening. But the good thing is that you are close, you're staying safe with your family. So it's good to, just renew and freshen up the bond with the family. सबसे अच्छी बात वो.
So you are, I know you personally. So I know that you are like multi-talented person. You are a very great dancer. You are an actor. You are a filmmaker. You are directors of so many plays in our school. So how you manage this kind of stuff? Like everything you have a quality like.
Well, I would just say that, yeah, these kind of things just come naturally to me. What I just take these things very naturally. It's all based on my instinct. If I see an opportunity, because obviously I have a creative mind. I like to do stuff with the utter creativity. And if I find things, कि जिसमें मैं invest कर सकता हूँ या कोई अच्छी opportunity मिले, so I just get into it. मैं ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So let's start with our interview.
Okay. Okay. So,
Acha. I know you that you wanted to be like behind the cameras as an actor. I would prefer like being in front of camera, but how you get so much of motivation that no, I would like to go behind the cameras and work with all those directors and producers, right?
yeah. Satyam, I asked this question myself as well. The thing is, I always I had a gig for films, you know it. I really loved films. And I always wanted to know that what is the process behind, making films. So I thought ki if I try to understand the process by being behind the camera, if maybe in future I want to come in front of the camera, वो ज़्यादा better रहेगा. मैंने उस basis से अपना एक ideology बनाई कि let's learn first and then take a decision for something.
Okay. So you are like planning for future.
Obviously, a lot of people don't know, but I plan a lot for future. They think I'm too dumb enough to think about situations right now, but I am as well.
Right, right. So I want to also say that you were also awarded as junior journalist by Vox Popular. So how was that feeling and how you get inspired by that? Yeah, I got that award and
That award was just a surprise. Basically, I was watching the entire event. So my thing was to shoot pictures and give it to the judges. So I was not really
okay.
expecting it. So I just went, just for exposure. And I had a good thing for, operating a camera. So I did that. And when I luckily I won the award, and I just ran towards the stage, and I was literally so happy because sometimes that's so unexpected. तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है तुम्हें क्या मिलने वाला है, but still you get excited about it. So that was very.
Okay, that's great. So would you like to talk about your achievements previous or you want to achieve next?
Yeah, obviously, I think I don't think I have got very much achievements. Like I've got considerable amount of achievements, but I obviously look up to the future. कि I always look for the tiny loopholes कि ना मैं अपने आप को थोड़ा सा better कर लूँ. My thing is I
Okay.
take myself too seriously, but what I try to do is कि like future में बस मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ that I am a little काबिल enough, you know, कि I'll be a better version of myself. तो पुराने दिन में
Okay.
like is dance theater and now since I've gotten into filmmaking तो चाहता हूँ कि मैं अपने आप को उस perspective से ज़्यादा improve करूँ.
Okay, so you just want to grow more.
Yeah, true.
So how you are seeing this pandemic as an opportunity to grow more, or you are just feeling like यार ये तो कुछ गलत हो गया?
नहीं, actually, but जैसे first when we landed up like जब पहला lockdown था, obviously I thought कि यार this is really wrong. What you're supposed to do तुम खा लो. But I established an idea. ध्यान से सोचो that cost you can invest the time on you. So वो एक opportunity. So I started getting into business. I started writing scripts. I just wanted to establish more of a creative mind ताकि ज़्यादा अच्छा लगे मेरे को अपने आप से. I'd feel better about myself.
Okay, so there is a comment that who is your idol or who inspired you to be what you are?
Well, I must say Hrithik Roshan because
Oh,
I believe too perfect in a very imperfect way. The, the way he dances, his skills, and his acting ability, it's totally iconic. So if I think that if you want to do something in the creative industry, you must have at least 10% of that guy because he's so good.
that's really inspiring of you because I am feeling like oh भाई ये तो कुछ next level है.
So
So
I draw inspiration from you also because how you are upfront about things that also
okay.
and something someone saying that changed my hairstyle. Yeah. Yeah.
So you were also the PR head of that GDMU and everything. So how you manage everything like schooling B and that too, GDMUN.
GDMUN was for our school itself. Like because I just I have the ability to interact with and I can get more of the students from different schools to our institution so that they get considerable amount of exposure. So मैंने ऐसा सोचा like I told you prior, all these things come really naturally. I have to. It's basically on instincts. मैं ज़्यादा सोच about the process. I don't have a very big process. It's just like कि I identify a thing, I do it. So being a PR head, it's like you're handling all the public relations. यार काफी important काम था. लगा था I'll mess it up, but manage हो गया. But luckily, yeah. So yeah, that's yeah.
So you were also मतलब PR head तो थे. So how you deal with that criticism with everything कि यार ये कुछ गलत कर रहा है, ये क्यों कर रहा है, why he is involving everyone like that.
Obviously, I thought uh, I'm honest. I that I'm so like, very sure. I thought that you don't get a lot of to grab them. So like
हाँ.
I was never really earning kind of a boy. You know me. So I always thought that I can contribute here. Or हाँ यार, I realized one thing very early in my life that you can't be liked by everyone. तुम्हें सब पसंद नहीं. तो इसलिए मैं वही करता
Obviously.
हूँ अच्छा लग रहा है. और स्पेशली जब तक I am getting my inner peace of mind और खुश हो रहा हूँ, I do everything I like. And criticism का क्या है? वो तो आज है, कल होगा, परसों भी होगा. You can't deal with it. Just be warm to everyone. Be happy about what. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So would you like to talk about your skills in dancing and acting, everything?
Yeah. Skills is a very good word, Satyam. This skills will like I'd say that I have a right? I was like when I was a kid, I really found myself as a very, like very serious actor, like looking like this in the camera all the time. But no, like I decided the voids of कि तुम versatile हो सकते हो, तुम और भी चीजें कर
Yeah.
सकते हो. So it's like that an actor is just like a plain canvas. कि
हाँ.
let the director draw over you और तुम वैसी पेंटिंग बना लो अपनी नहीं. तो वैसे मेरी आइडियोलॉजी रिवॉल्व करती है. और बाकी अगर बात है बाकी चीजों में डांस, इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैव वॉच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ बॉलीवुड ऑनेस्टली. So I like to every step that the dancer does. So same.
Okay, okay. So dancing, acting, everything you are managing. So is there any kind of favorite dialogue that you really liked and you wanted to perform right now?
Arey wah. Yeah, actually, I really love this dialogue, like, cause a bit of a little
Okay.
dialogue of I you've seen it, like much about nothing. So I was
Yeah.
playing a character. It was Benedict. So I really love that character. Yeah, he's a very cool kind of character. He doesn't take himself too much. He doesn't like the girl, but he pretends to like her. And sometimes he likes the girl, but he pretends to hate her. So there's this dialogue. If you allow, I'll do it for you. There's this dialogue. He would say, it's like this. When I said I would die a bachelor, I did not think I should live till I were married. Heck, Beatrice. By this day, she's a fair lady. I do spy some marks of love in her. So basically, I try to resonate with that character. So you
That's
must have seen
great.
it.
Great. Yes.
Yeah.
Matlab, I am literally speaking that I am right now learning very much from
Arey,
you.
you're being very modest right now. Honestly.
So you also have been that diploma holder of filmmaking from IFTA. So would you like to talk about that?
Yeah. Basically, I did it back in 2019 probably. Uh, so at that time we were in 10th standard, 10th or 11th standard. So we didn't really कहाँ जा रहे हैं आगे, what's our future, हम क्या कर. So at that point of time, I thought कि यार, I should learn. कि I should just see a process. Then I started watching videos. मैंने Indian Film Television Academy apply किया, वो diploma start किया, and it's like मुझे चीज realization I would just like to say that जो हम films देखते हैं, it's just like a 2 hour or a 3 hour film, but behind that
Yeah,
यार it takes 6 or 8 months of effort. Like
yeah,
people don't recognize it. People, it's very easy for people to comment upon it by watching it for 10 minutes. But actually, they don't know कि it's such a big process. So वो चीज मैंने की, and बीच में बहुत obstacles थे. I was not learning the appropriate way. Obviously, it was virtually based, but uh, Sanjay sir थे, so he had quite a lot. So काफी situation balance हो गई थी.
okay. So you are like more into English dramatics rather than being in Hindi. So why is that?
No, it's nothing like that. I've done equal work in Hindi as well as in Mathematics. It's just that I is she had a wonderful ability, to romanticize a lot of things, to enhance the elements. जो और हिंदी भाई हिंदी में opportunity ज़्यादा आई नहीं मिलती. But I would love to give a try. Like I'm really inspired. Like we used to do Mahabharat back at our school,
Yeah,
like Ramayana, and do such kind of thing. We did Aaj Ka Bhi together. We played the
yeah,
character. That was, and we did the Legend of Bhagat Singh also together. So
yeah,
like
yeah.
you were very good. Trust me, you were very good. So that's nice. And English dramatic is something here that was a new era of acting. I think I really identified myself as an actor over there. And when I started directing plays in English dramatics, मुझे लगा कि this is जहाँ मैं ज़्यादा suit करता हूँ for the time being. But like I told, you have to
Okay,
be versatile. Opportunity, you just have it for everything.
yeah. So let's just read certain comments.
Yeah.
There is one comment. What major differences do you find in Hindi and English theater or cinema?
What major differences I find? Basically, there, there's not much. There's this fact that I believe that in the Hindi dramatics, you have of being a little more expressive, and
Yeah,
dramatics there is uh, an chance of being more expressive. But the thing is, you have to challenge the language barrier. Since we are Indians, like we can be more expressive. हम अपनी भाषा में जब हम बात करें, हम तब ज़्यादा अच्छे से ऑडियंस से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So that is like one of the most important. और सिनेमा में क्या है? I really believe that the actors we have in our industry and the directors, they're really hardworking, totally, totally dedicated. And obviously, to look abroad, obviously that DiCaprio, actors like him, Christopher Nolan, Robert Lee Zemeckis, all of these directors work a lot, and they are thoroughly dedicated. But just the difference of audience, कि किस मास को आप particularly target कर. But as a result, cinema इतना unite हो रहा है TV platforms पे, Netflix पे, like you see all of these TV series that are coming, and a lot of actors abroad work in Indian films right now. There's not much of just the difference or yeah.
okay. So, actually, what is that thing that you are missing right now in this pandemic situation that there should be?
यार like obviously I think about it every day. मैं इसके बारे में रोज सोचता हूँ. I I school. Obviously, I miss my school. The other thing I think that we lost a very precious year of precious last year of our school. So I really miss that. यार एक void है. कहते हैं एक दिन का खाली है. So it's like
Yeah.
वो बहुत ऑड. अब जब मैं सबको देखता हूँ सब कुछ ना सब इस तरह like I see you doing such amazing stuff on social media. I feel really happy. बट यार ऑन द अदर हैंड मुझे भी लगता है कि व्हाट इफ अगर हम सब साथ होते हैं वी माइट बी हैंगिंग आउट कहीं पार्टी कर रहे हैं और वी हैविंग वी सिटिंग इन स्कूल यू नो लाइक आई रियली मिस दोस मोमेंट्स एंड आई एम सैड वी कांट हैव देम बैक.
Okay, that's great. We are having a comment. You want to venture into filmmaking, so what kind of cinema appeals you most?
What appeals? Basically, I do have a very upper edge for like commercial film. I it's very realistic stuff. And realistic stuff जब देखता हूँ, especially biographies. Like the other day I was
Okay.
watching Steve Jobs. So that really gives me the ability, you know, to connect with someone who's actually lived a life. I don't believe that much in fiction. Fiction is great, but realistic cinema has a lot of ability of expressing artistic exposure along and some to mix film with a little bit of commercial success and artistic. It is, I think, it is the best.
Okay. So where you see yourself 5 years later, like if you imagine.
Uh, Honestly, I hope I'd be someplace better. I just don't know about where I will be. I just see myself at a set. I would be at a set. Either I'd be in front of the camera, but want to be behind it. You know, just being in AD, doing something, anything. I anything on a film. So, but I just believe खुश हूँ or I'm working. That's all. That's nothing else.
Okay. Most recent movie you associate with your kind of cinema.
Most recent film I associate with mankind. Like I said, I watched Steve Jobs. So and there's this movie I did not see a lot of years in 1994, but it's called this movie is called Forrest Gump. It's of
Oh,
Tom Hanks and he won an Oscar for it. And a movie it resonates with me a lot. You know, like I feel what he had, and it's so good through the elements of cinema. You can present the life of such kind of wonderful character. I connect with that, and I connect with Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara the most. I see my friends going in and out and doing so Zindagi Na
Yeah,
Milegi
yeah,
Dobara, totally my kind of cinema. Like Indian films, like Gully Boys, my Sanju, I like it, stuff like that. Yeah.
yeah. So let's end this up. So is there any message for upcoming these talented children or in Jammu, obviously? So is there any message for them?
Yeah, I would just like to say that you know don't have to be that get motivated by others. Just keep yourself motivated. Self motivation is the best thing. Just be
Yeah,
creative and make mistakes. Obviously, you are supposed to make mistakes and just believe in yourself and live the dream. That's all. That's all.
that's great. So Krish, that was amazing, and I felt so, matlab, renowned type था कि यार I had an interview of Krish Kohli, so multitasking person. So there is also one more comment. Why don't you host some online workshops for kids who are interested? So yeah,
That's a very good way. So, actually, I have a plan of making a thorough team, but I have of children, and them explain them about cinema and stuff like that. But I get a lot of children with me now, and I would just make a platform where children can speak, they can do stuff like that. That is obviously that's a very good idea. Thank you so much. Yeah.
that's great. So let's just end this up, and that was amazing talking to you, Krish. And we would like to thank Tavi Journal just to create this kind of setup to just encourage all those talented kids out in Jammu. So thank you so much. So
Orally.
bye, Krish.
Bye bye. Take care. I'll see
Stay
you.
safe.
Yeah, you too. Take care of the family. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining.